Hi, I'm Robin's AI avatar. Let me walk you through the Debitura platform. Once you've logged in, you'll land on this dashboard. The most important thing to notice here is the Getting Started widget. It shows you our 3 required steps. Upload your first case, sign the standard debt collection agreement, and add your bank information so the local partner knows where to disperse any money we recover. On top of those, there are some recommended steps: setting up an integration to work faster and smarter, signing the data processing agreement, and inviting your co-workers. So even if you don't watch the rest of this video, just know that your Getting Started guide lives right here. Besides that, on the dashboard, you see support options linking to our support portal. You'll also see a summary of overdue tasks, a shortcut to add new cases, and a quick snapshot from reports. That's the dashboard. Now let's look at how the platform is organized. Debitura has 2 menus, the main menu, which is what you'll use most often, and a secondary menu up here. Let's start with the main menu. From here you add new cases. You can fill out a form manually. You can set up an accounting integration so we import cases automatically, or you can bulk upload cases from a CSV file. Pick whichever option works best for you. Once you've uploaded cases, you'll find them all in the Cases menu. You can filter, run bulk actions, export the data, and change which columns you see. Partners shows you the collection partners with an active relationship to your account. Not every partner in our network, just the ones currently assigned to your cases. So on this account it's empty, but normally you'd see every partner working on your cases. A nice overview. From there you can chat with them directly. Next, tasks. This is the same list we saw here on the dashboard. In general, the way Debitura is built is that whenever there's an action you need to take, it shows up as a task, and you'll get an email reminder too. You can fine-tune how often you hear from us in your notification settings. Contracts shows you the standard debt collection agreement once you've signed it. It also gives you a view of every jurisdiction where we operate, whether we have a partner there working on our standard agreement, or whether it's a country where we don't have standard coverage and a bespoke quote is required. You can see the number of partners in each jurisdiction and open their details. Here you see the partner count and name. Click through to view a partner's profile. The first time you submit a case to a specific partner, you'll be asked to review and sign a power of attorney for them. That's the contracts page. It stores the agreements you've signed and gives you a clean overview of every jurisdiction where you can use Debitura. Reporting lets you filter and generate a custom report you can view here or export. That's the main menu done. The secondary menu up in the upper right corner holds your profile settings and your account settings. There's a lot in here. I won't walk through each one today. The most important one is inviting your users. If you're not the only person who needs access to this account, you can invite them right here, free of course. We also recommend adding a bank account as part of onboarding. This is what local collection partners use to know where to send recovered funds. There are plenty more settings, setting up integrations, signing the data processing agreement, and so on. We won't cover all of that in this video, but you can always find the Getting Started guide and our support articles for each. Thank you for watching this video.